Hi there, I'm Carolyn Rae and you're watching YOGATX, and today we're going to be going through a morning flow to wake up the body, wake up the mind, and gently take you into the rest of your day. So we're going to start laying down on our backs where we just came from. Just taking your time to get here. Just like a little shavasana, let the toes fall out and relax. Notice your breathing. Sometimes our breath seems to tighten, shorten at night, so just take a nice long belly breath here. Just feeling that belly rise. Softening the eyes and relaxing the jaw here. Maybe opening and closing the jaw. And as you're ready, bring your hands together and stretch up overhead. Inhaling for a long body stretch. Flex the toes. And you can release the hands like somebody's pulling you from both directions, gently. And exhale, you can soften the arms down like a snow angel. You can cycle through that one more time, breathing in. And exhaling out, elbows can bend if that's a lot on the shoulders to open this early. Maybe shaking the hips out a little bit here. Let those feet go back and forth. And last time, big inhale, big body breath. Hold the breath at the top and then exhale the arms all the way down. And bring the arms back to the top. We're going to do a laying down crescent moon. So essentially, you're just going to scoot your hips to the right and then form a banana / crescent moon shape with the rest of your body. So you're gently pulling your right hand over to the left side of your mat, and your feet can just come over to the left slightly. Breathing into the right lung here. Just relax that right shoulder down. And gently start moving back to center. Straightening out. And arch the back as you inhale. Exhale down. And other side, scoot the hips to the left. And the feet and the arms are going to be pointing to the right. Try to just let that head relax on the earth here. Inhale, maybe gently stretching that left hand a little bit more up towards the right. Gently coming back into center. Bringing feet to the mat and then bringing knees into the chest here. Waking up the lower back and give yourself a few gentle rocks back and forth. Maybe opening and then closing as you roll from one side to the other. Creating a little playfulness in your morning. Another big squeeze into the chest. And find a couple gentle rocks, or you can just make your way back up to the sit bones. We're going to open the hips a little bit here, so you're going to bring your right knee over your left knee. And if this is difficult, just go to wherever you can. You can always bring ankle to knee. or bring your legs a little bit further apart. So your ankles are on the outside of the hips. And this is also a nice time to give the feet a little bit of a massage, or just sort of the back of the calves. Take a breath in as you elongate the spine. And exhale it out. Ribs knit in towards each other. Engage the core here and bring palms out to the mat. So reaching out wide and slowly inching your way down. And chin can come maybe in front of that right knee. Or if you have a block at home, you could always rest your head on a block here. As you exhale, sink a little deeper. Maybe the forearms come to the mat. And inhale, slowly activating up. Really taking your time coming up here. Inching your way back up to a seated spine. Breathing in and out. And let's reach the hands above head. And as you exhale, gentle twist over to your right. So the back of the left forearm is slightly giving you some traction here to really push off. Your right hand is allowing your spine to stay lifted here. So even though we just woke up, we really want to wake our spine up right, nice and tall. Exhale, twist a little deeper. And inhale back to center. Just a little counter twist here. And coming back through. And letting the feet both come to the earth here, finding some gentle windshield wiper knees. This is also a really nice massage on the glutes if you have any, if you sit a lot, or if you have any tenderness in that area. It's almost like a lacrosse ball, but it's just the floor. Just massaging the glutes. And then inhaling back for the other side. Bringing your left knee over the right. And setting up the ankles here, whichever way feels most comfortable for you. Maybe it's further out, or maybe the foot is even on the earth. That's okay too. Wherever you're at, find a nice long spine. Breathe in. Exhale, soften the shoulders down. I'm going to start slowly walking the hands forward. Nice and wide here. And the head can just rest gently. Maybe give your knee a kiss, some gratitude. And breathe into the shoulders. Send that breath all the way through the hips as well. Elongate that spine first and then slowly start coming back in. And take an inhale here, raising the arms above head. And exhale to twist, bringing the right forearm to the outside of that left knee. And this is a nice point to push off of while also allowing the spine to stay straight. The neck can be relaxed here, wherever feels good for you right now. And slowly coming back into center. Nice counter twist here. And then moving into a reverse tabletop position. Really grounding down in both feet here, making sure heels and glutes are pretty much in line. And fingers are towards the hips. Slowly start to lift up. Inhale. Opening up those shoulders. Breathing in. And gently coming back to a seat. And coming forward through finding our tabletop position here. And dropping the belly, flexing the tailbone up towards the neck. And exhale, pushing away, cat pose. Inhale, really roll through bone by bone. And every time you do this stretch, it might feel a little bit different. So just embracing that. Cool thing about this pose is it actually realigns your spine. So great to do after waking up. You can tuck your toes behind you and gently start moving to your downward facing dog. This is your first down dog of the day, so be very easy here. Keep the knees soft. Keep the head soft. Shake out the head. And your heels can come to the right, with the knees soft. This always reminds me of a skier going down the slopes. As you inhale, the knees turn to the right, the heels turn to the left. Just allowing to feel that twist throughout the body. And coming back to downward facing, maybe lengthening through the legs or maybe keeping them soft. And taking some small steps up towards the hands, finding a forward fold or ragdoll pose here. Let the head hang heavy. Say yes a few times. Shake out the shoulders. And as you inhale, maybe just bring fingertips to the mat and lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, softly rolling up the body. Letting that head come up very last. Inhale the arms all the way up overhead. And coming in for a half crescent moon stretch standing. So ground down in the left foot. Take a big inhale, reach the left hand over to the right. I'm really trying to keep everything in one long line here. Breathe into the left lung. Exhale, stretch a little deeper. And inhale back to center. Exhale, wide elbows, maybe open the jaw. Tuck that tailbone under. Inhale the arms back up. Exhale, gently grab that right wrist. Take a nice inhale up and over. And feeling all four corners of both feet. Really setting a solid foundation for the day. Breathe into that right side. Inhaling back to center. Exhale, forward fold. And letting both knees come back. And finding either a wide-legged or a modified child's pose. Whichever your back needs. If you have any low back tightness, you might want to bring the knees together here, and you can bring the forehead down to the mat. Let the arms come behind you. Just really ground in here. And bring your hands to the outside of both ankles. Inhaling through the nose, lift the hips slightly, coming up for rabbit pose. Engaging the core here. Trying not to put too much pressure on the head, almost just floating it just where the hairline meets the forehead. Exhale the hips down. Move the forehead up on the mat a little bit, maybe give it a little massage. And inhale the hands back to the front. Exhale, moving through tabletop position. Moving through a few cat-cows here. Maybe a little bit more smooth this time. We're moving in different ways. Maybe the hips want to come back and forth. Whatever is going to wake up your body for the day. When that feels complete, you can bring both knees back to that seated position. Roll the shoulders back. And inhale the hands wide. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale the hands back up. And exhale down. And just gently bringing the hands out in front of you. Letting the head come down. Softening a little bit further down. And as you inhale, slowly coming back up, making your way nice and slow. And bringing your right arm out to a T and reaching it across the chest. Saying hello to your shoulder muscle for the day. Maybe opening the palm or the fingers a few times. Or maybe if it feels good to add in some neck motion, feel free to do that. And gently release back. Notice any differences here, maybe moving the elbow around in a few circles. When you're ready, left hand comes out. Exhale across the body. And these sides might feel different, that's okay. Keeping the core engaged, stay tall in your seat here, breathe in. And out. And again, if there's any gentle maneuvers here, help your neck, shoulders wake up for the day. And then bringing that arm around, bending some circles. Maybe both arms want to circle around a little bit. Coming back into really grounded seat. You can bring just the hands to the knees here. Maybe the palms are up for receiving today. And just soften the eyes. Become present with yourself, noticing the difference in thoughts and breath from when you woke up to this moment. I invite you to have a very playful day today. And come back to this breath if you need to throughout the day. It's always there for you. All the light and love in me. I hope you have a really fantastic day. Namaste, yogis. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Carolyn Rae, and if you enjoyed what you saw, subscribe to this channel and check us out online, yogatx.org. You can also subscribe to our newsletter coming out, super exciting, and stay in the loop on all of things yoga. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.